Bella Do-It-Yourselfer again, and we're continuing to unbox some items we received in the mail. And let's take a look at the first one. And this is what we call an Echo Dot, and her name is Alexa. I've already got 5 of these, one in each bedroom, one in the bathroom, one in the garage, and one in the kitchen. And so I'm going with the 6th one here. What Alexa does is she can turn on and off lights requiring special light bulbs. She's an encyclopedia. She can remind you for appointments, and you can use your imagination and probably find things that you would find her useful for her to do. You have to say her name first, and then you tell her what you want done, or ask her a question or anything. This is what it looks like. And in a later video, if you subscribe to the channel, we'll be installing this. And you can see we're going to be installing it right behind me here on the computer desk, which you can see is already have an assortment of things. Now, another item we just got is let's see. This is a power strip, which normally we would put underneath along the floor. Some of them are installed on walls, but for here you can see there's a lot of wires involved. We got a certain amount of equipment here. You can see, and the idea with this is that these wires are gonna be installed and uninstalled without having to crawl under the desk. So here's what I'll pull this out and show it to you. This is all hooked up. There's the box, box, and then here's what we have. And this is what it looks like unveiled. So again, on another video, we'll be showing you that process of installing it and the convenience of it and so forth. So again, this is just, we're trying to be consistent here and involve you with experiences that sometimes go well and sometimes could use some tips to help you along, and we'll be doing various things in the future. So hasta pronto, Caballeros, damas y cut that. Hasta pronto, damas y caballeros. God, what a blithering idiot.